Well, there's a kind of wealth that doesn't need luxury cars, loud brands, or viral fame, because its power isn't in being seen but in being known. Ordinary people chase visibility. The truly wealthy chase distinction. One is noise, the other, precision. You'll rarely find the affluent trying to prove themselves. Their power lies in restraint, in mastering the details most overlook, and in understanding that subtlety is the loudest signal of all. These are not tricks or trends, they're unspoken codes. Quiet signals of confidence that only those fluent and true affluents can recognize. Because wealth, at its highest form, isn't decoration, it's energy. It's the calm that follows mastery. The silence that follows certainty. In this video we'll uncover 12 hidden codes of wealth. The quiet details, refined behaviors, and psychological cues that make the elite stand out without saying a word. Code 1. Effortless precision. The first code of wealth is effortless precision. True wealth is never forced, it flows. Every move, every choice feels natural because it's rooted in mastery. Picture an old money gentleman adjusting his cufflinks without drawing attention, or a CEO who speaks calmly while others raise their voices. Their power lies in precision disguised as ease. The wealthy don't try to impress, they express refinement through control. When you've done the work, effort becomes invisible. In a world obsessed with showing effort, elegance hides it. Refine quietly. Let your habits, your posture, your composure, not your words, reveal your depth. Code 2. The power of stillness. Stillness is the rarest form of confidence. In rooms filled with noise, the person who can sit in silence holds the real power. A billionaire once said, "Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers." The CEO who listens longer commands the room without dominating it. The calm investor who waits while others panic earns what the impatient lose. The world equates motion with importance, but the rich equate stillness with control. The truth is, silence intimidates the uncentered. It exposes those who act without intention. Slow your reactions. Breathe before you answer. Let stillness speak on your behalf. It's the most luxurious sound in any room. Code 3. Understated signatures. True distinction lives in the details only the observant notice. For the wealthy, self-expression doesn't come from labels, it comes from signatures. A discreet watch with a personal engraving. A handwritten letter. A scent that subtly follows them through the room. Their identity isn't loud, it's layered. It's recognized, not announced. Recognition for them comes from aura, the quiet confidence of consistency. Develop understated trademarks that reflect your essence, not your ego. The goal isn't to stand out loudly, but to be unforgettable softly. Code 4. Spatial awareness. The truly wealthy move differently. They never rush, never dominate space, they own it with quiet assurance. Watch an old money matriarch enter a room. Posture aligned, gestures minimal, voice calm. She doesn't compete for presence, she commands it. Power isn't about taking space, it's about balancing it. Those who understand space understand influence. A pause before speaking. A calm step forward. A steady gaze. These are silent currencies of authority. The room bends around those who control their energy. Cultivate spatial intelligence. Move with grace, speak with intention, and you'll command attention without demanding it. Code 5. Emotional neutrality. Among the affluent, emotional neutrality is a superpower. When everyone else reacts, they remain composed. It's not apathy, it's control. A founder hears harsh feedback and smiles. An investor watches markets collapse and stays silent. The calm mind always wins the storm. Emotion to them is leverage. Lose it and you lose the deal. People trust those who don't waver. Confidence is calm under pressure. In wealth psychology, neutrality equals predictability, and predictability builds power. Respond, never react. Control the tone, not the outcome. Because calmness isn't weakness, it's command in disguise. Code 6. Subtle customization. The affluent personalize everything, quietly. Their world is built to their rhythm. Their spaces tailored, their routines precise. From monogram stationery to perfectly measured espresso cups. It's not vanity, it's ownership. Subtle customization says, I know what I like and I've earned the right to refine it. It's a quiet rebellion against conformity. A declaration of discernment without arrogance. When you tailor your environment, you tell the world you control your context. Don't flaunt, refine. Let the smallest details speak volumes about who you are and what you value. Code 7. Time as status. The ultimate status symbol isn't a car, it's control over your time. The wealthy move at their own pace. They don't chase the clock, they own it. You'll never see them rushing through life. because rushing screams dependence. True affluence is unhurriedness. A calendar with space. A schedule built around purpose, not pressure. The poor spend time to earn money. The rich spend money to buy time. Control your time and you control your peace. Reclaim your hours. Protect your mornings. Because time, not wealth, is the real definition of luxury. Code 8, Vocabulary of restraint. Words are currency, and the wealthy spend them sparingly. In meetings they speak with clarity and weight. Each word intentional, each silence meaningful. They know that power isn't in saying more, it's in needing less. Eloquence isn't complexity, it's control. It's the discipline to say only what matters. Their vocabulary signals calm intellect, not ego. They never fill space with noise, they shape it with meaning. Speak with economy. When you master restraint in language, people lean in when you finally speak. Code 9, The art of observation. Observation is the first step to dominance. While most rush to act, the wealthy study first. They analyze patterns, read rooms, and watch people reveal themselves. In negotiation, the billionaire lets others speak first, because information is leverage. Observation builds insight, and insight builds power. In a noisy world, attention is rare. The one who notices what others overlook controls the narrative. Don't seek to be first. Seek to be informed. Because wisdom isn't in speed, it's in stillness that sees. Code 10, Controlled visibility. Power isn't about being seen everywhere, it's about being seen strategically. The wealthy are selective with exposure. They appear only where presence equals purpose. You won't find them broadcasting every move. Their influence works in silence while others announce. The quiet philanthropist funding schools anonymously carries more status than the one posting donations online. The more visible you are, the more vulnerable you become. Privacy is the final luxury. Choose scarcity. Let absence create allure. Mystery, after all, is timeless. Code 11, Legacy thinking. The truly rich think in decades, not days. They understand that real wealth isn't made, it's maintained. Old money invests in art, land, and education, not trends. Legacy thinking shifts focus from what impresses today to what endures tomorrow. Short-term success feeds ego. Long-term success feeds legacy. The goal isn't to die rich, it's to die remembered. Think beyond your lifetime. Build systems, not symbols. Because wealth that lasts begins with vision, not vanity. Code 12, The aura of enough. The final code of wealth is sufficiency. The sense that nothing more is needed. True affluence is silent confidence, the calm knowing that you already have enough. No competition, no comparison, just quiet contentment that radiates power. Neediness is noise. Contentment is charisma. When you stop chasing, everything starts arriving. Those who understand enough never lose control, because they no longer play someone else's game. Project sufficiency. That calm energy will always outshine desperation. These 12 codes aren't about showing wealth, they're about embodying it. Each one whispers stability, discernment, and restraint. The difference between loud money and lasting money is psychology. Loud money performs. Quiet money persists. True wealth isn't measured by what's seen, it's defined by what's sustained. Control, freedom, legacy. Because in the end, wealth isn't a decoration, it's a discipline. The rich don't follow the crowd. They follow rules the crowd will never understand. True wealth doesn't announce itself. It's felt, not seen. If you want to learn how the truly affluent think, move, and build generational wealth, subscribe and step into the psychology of quiet success.